If you're choosing between OpenClaw and Hermes Agent, this isn't just AI versus AI. It's ecosystem power versus intelligent autonomy. So, which AI is actually better? Let's break it down. OpenClaw is the most widely adopted AI agent right now. It's built as a full automation system, connecting to messaging apps, email tools, and running real tasks like a digital employee. It supports dozens of integrations and has a massive community with thousands of skills. But here's the catch. It can be messy. Setup can be confusing, updates can break things, and security risks have been reported if it's misconfigured. Hermes takes a very different approach. It's more like a developer-focused AI agent framework, cleaner, more modular, and designed to improve itself by generating reusable skills over time. The downside is usability. It requires more technical setup, fewer built-in integrations, and less plug-and-play functionality compared to OpenClaw. So the real difference is this. OpenClaw is a ready-to-use AI system, while Hermes is a framework you build into your own system. From real user feedback, OpenClaw is like a team of agents handling everything. Hermes feels more autonomous, but needs setup. They're designed differently, breadth versus depth. So which AI is better? Choose OpenClaw if you want a powerful, ready-to-use AI agent with lots of integrations and real-world automation. Choose Hermes if you want more control, cleaner architecture, and a system you can customize deeply. Bottom line, there's no clear winner. But for most users, OpenClaw feels more practical today because it actually does more out of the box. That said, Hermes is arguably the better AI design long-term, especially if you're a developer who wants control and scalability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.